Third video of the week. More of the same. Just trying to beat these concepts into your brain. Let's get work. Let's get to work. Let's get busy. Here we go. What number goes in the box to make this number sentence true? Well, remember, when you've got this equal sign right here, that means you want both sides to be the same. There's two ways of thinking about this. One way is simply solving this side because you can do the math for that. Remember PEMDAS, there's parentheses. 7 minus 3 is 4. Don't forget that times 5 right there. That's 20. And since that is 20, the other side that it's equal to also has to be 20. So 4 times blank, 4 times 5 is the correct answer. That will also get you 20. C. The other way of thinking about this that I alluded to a moment ago was just think to yourself, if you did this parentheses problem first, you would realize that 7 minus 3 is the same thing as 4. So they both have 4. 7 minus 3 and 4. They both have a multiplication sign, see? The only thing they both need that they don't have in the beginning is that 5. So you can just kind of see, without doing too much math, what would go there to make both sides of the equal sign equal. And that's what you're going for in problems like this. Let's move on. Here's a coordinate grid. You remember these pretty well, I hope. It shows the location of 4 tents around a campfire. Which tent is located at point -4, 3? All right, the first number in an ordered pair is the x-axis, the left and right line. So find -4 on this line right here. It is right there. However, we're not done because we got to keep in mind what the second number in the ordered pair is. It's a 3. The second number goes with the up and down line, the y-axis. So -4, 3 would take us to -4 on the left and right or x-axis line, and then 3 on the y-axis line, and then you just have to figure out where they meet. They meet right there, bloop bloop. Ooh, they cross right there at tent Q. So tent Q is the correct answer. Coincidentally, tent Q is in quadrant 2. Do you remember quadrants? Quadrants are kind of like the 4 corners of a coordinate grid. You ever played 4 corners before? This one right here is quadrant 1. This is quadrant 2. Down below is quadrant 3. And to the right of that is quadrant 4. Why do I bother telling you this? Because the next question is about quadrants. Yeah, check it out. In which quadrant is 5, 5? All right, no problem. Easy to figure out as long as you pay attention. You know this is the number for the x-axis, the x line, the left and right line. And this is the number for the y-axis, the up and down line. 5, 5. So let's find 5, 5. 5, 5. Right there. What quadrant is that in? Hello? If you memorize, that's the first quadrant, and then it goes like this, 2, 3, 4. Then you know that 5, 5 is in quadrant 1. You got it, you got it, you got it. Take a quick look at your pop guide. Here on the top, we have a level 4 graphing question for you. Which shape is at 5, 2? Go to 5, then go to 2. X-axis, y-axis. Right next door, we have more of a level 5 question. Level 4 right there, level 5 right here. 2, -1.5. Can you find which shape is being described by that order pair? Good luck with that. Down below, a slightly harder level 4. And then right next door, a quadrant question. How are you going to do with that? With that quadrant question. Good luck. Keep in mind, you're probably going to have graphing questions as well as questions like this where we have to make both sides equal to each other on the equal sign. You'll have questions like that, and the graphing questions on this week's quiz. It's a little bit of a mixed bag, but really when you think about it, it's really only 2 things you have to know. 2 things. All right, guys, good luck. I'll see you in class. Bye.